Glazed Butterfly. Today I'm showing you guys Chipotle, and I signed up for the rewards program. Hold on a second. I spent $15.72. I ate the chips and guacamole. That's extra on the side. I paid for guacamole on my burrito bowl. I got it with chicken. I bought 4 tortillas. They're 25 cents each. And I have my big gulp from 7-Eleven. That's Coca-Cola. My little napkin. I got everything in here except for sour cream. But I'm hungry. This is lunch. I want to show you guys. This is my first time trying Chipotle. Very impressed. I'm about to dig in and eat. So hungry. All right. Stay safe until next time. Bye.